Hello my lovelies, welcome to Pinspiration Kitchens. Today we're going to be making some okra soup. This is a very delicious soup that's eaten with pounded yam, amala, fufu or garri. It's so nutrient dense and so delicious and very yummy. So come into my kitchen and let's prepare okra soup. So the first thing I'll be doing is to prepare my okra. I've washed and cleaned my okra and I'm going to be cutting off the ends of the okra. So I cut off the ends of my okra and I'm going to blend them with a little bit of water. I like to use the ends because they add extra thickness to my soup. So I'm going to just chop up the remaining of the okra into different sizes. So I'm just going to cut them into really small pieces or circular shapes and so on and so forth. So feel free to cut them into any sizes that you like as long as they are small pieces and they are uniform. So I blended some of my okra or used the food processor to get this sort of shape. You can also grate this, and I'm bagging my okra because I'm going to be freezing them, and they usually last up to about 6 months in the freezer. So here is my blended okra ends. I'm going to use this to thicken my soup, and I'll be saving some for some other time that I will be preparing okra soup. And as I said earlier, it's a great way to thicken your soup. So here are my okra all portioned out and ready for freezing. So here are my ingredients. I'm using some stock, some salt, Uziza seeds, the blended okra ends, basil leaves, palm oil, our okra, a red onion and a sweet onion, and then some locust beans, which is also known as dadawa or iru, and then some pepper. So I'm just going to prepare my onions by peeling them, washing them, and then chopping them up. And then I will also be chopping up my peppers and the locust beans. Okra is a great source of fiber, which helps in digestion and also filling you up. It's also low in calories as a vegetable on its own. Per 100 grams of okra is about 33 calories, which is very great for those who are trying to lose weight as long as you don't add too much oil in your okra. Um, Okra is also rich in vitamin C. It's very rich in potassium, calcium, and B vitamins. So, um, very high in folate, which is great for those ladies who are trying to conceive and for pregnant mothers. Another fun fact about okra: did you know you can get oil from okra seeds? Hey, I'm just learning today. We learn every day. Ah. Another important tip is when you're trying to buy your okra, particularly fresh okra, make sure you get ones that are firm to the touch and try as much as possible to get ones that don't have any bruises on them. You can also buy okra fresh, as I said earlier, and frozen, and the frozen one will last you or keep up to about 6 months. Okra can also be gotten as dried, and this can be used to prepare dry okra, or also known as miyan kubewa. Hey! So in a hot pan, I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of red palm oil. And I'm just going to allow this to heat up a little bit. And then I will be adding in my red onions and sweet onions and locust beans and my peppers. So now I'm adding my Uziza seeds. This is about 1/4 of a teaspoon of Uziza seeds. And then I'll be adding some salt to taste. I'll allow my ingredients to just gently fry, and then now I'm just going to add in the ends of the okra that was blended. I'm just going to stir this in and allow to cook for a few minutes. So I'm going to add about 1 cup of my stock. I'm using chicken stock here. You can use any stock of your choice. And then I'll add about 1 cup of water, and I'll be saving some to see how thick my soup is, and then I will just add a little bit more to it. So here's my okra. I'm just adding in my okra, and then I will just stir this in, and then just see how thick it is, and then add in more water as I see fit. So now I'm adding in my basil leaves, and I'm just doing this towards the end of preparing my soup. I like the color of my vegetables to be still bright and nice looking. I don't really like to overcook my soups, and it keeps all the nutrients in there too, and then you have a really nice looking soup. So here's my okra. It's nice and it's so aromatic, and it's ready for some delicious pounded yam. I'm just going to serve myself and my family some of this delicious soup, and then we're going to be adding in some very yummy meats. So I'm using some goat's meat and chicken. You can use any other types of meats that you like. You can use some mackerel fish or salmon, or some beef, or whatever you like. Some people add also mushrooms to their soups, or prepare seafood okra using prawns and crab meat. So but hey, here is our okra. It looks so good, and I'm looking forward to tucking into this. So guys, I want to say thank you very much for sticking with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button and give a thumbs up for this video and let me know in the comments what you think about this. Enjoy, guys. Bye.